Roth IRA versus traditional IRA. Which is right for you? Sleek, modern background with calming music, text overlay, Roth IRA versus traditional IRA. Which is right for you? Imagine this. You're 30 years old, you've got a good job, you're starting to make some real progress with your savings, but there's one thing standing between you and your financial future: the IRA dilemma. Should you go with a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA? It's a question that leaves most people scratching their heads. And for good reason. The right choice can mean tens, if not hundreds, of thousands of dollars when you retire. Here's the kicker: the wrong choice could cost you big time. So, which one is right for you? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the difference, but you'll also know which IRA is the best fit for your financial goals. Quick question: have you already started thinking about your retirement? Or are you still putting it off until tomorrow? Let's dive in and see why waiting to make this decision could hurt your future. 1. The basics. What are IRAs? 1. Understanding IRAs. The foundation. Let's start with the fundamentals. An IRA, or individual retirement account, is a tax-advantaged investment account designed to help you save for retirement. But here's where it gets interesting. There are two main types: the Roth IRA and the traditional IRA. Each has its own set of rules, advantages, and tax benefits. But first, let's think about what retirement means to you. Imagine a future where you don't have to work unless you want to. You're not reliant on Social Security, and you don't have to worry about living paycheck to paycheck. IRAs are one of the best ways to get there. Pattern interrupt. But wait, tax benefits? I know that sounds a little boring, but trust me. These tax benefits are the reason IRAs are so powerful. They'll either save you money now or later. And who doesn't want to save money? 2. What is a traditional IRA? Now let's talk about the traditional IRA. With a traditional IRA, you contribute money to your account, and those contributions are tax deductible in the year you make them. This means you get a tax break up front. But here's the catch. When you retire and start pulling money out of the account, you pay taxes on those withdrawals. This option can be great if you're in a higher tax bracket now, but expect to be in a lower tax bracket when you retire. Essentially, you're deferring taxes until later, so you pay less overall, right? Well, maybe. Here's where it gets tricky. What if tax rates go up in the future? And let's face it, taxes are a real wild card. Cliffhanger. But is this really the best option for your future? Because what if there was a way to never pay taxes on your retirement savings again? Stay with me. 2. The Roth IRA, the game changer. 3. What is a Roth IRA? Let's shift gears and talk about the Roth IRA. Here's where things get exciting. With a Roth IRA, you contribute money that has already been taxed, so you don't get a tax break now. But the big game changer is that when you withdraw your money in retirement, it's tax-free. That's right, no taxes on your earnings or withdrawals. So if you're expecting to be in a higher tax bracket when you retire, or if you just want to make sure the IRS doesn't take a chunk of your hard-earned savings, a Roth IRA might be your golden ticket. But there's a catch. Roth IRAs come with income limits. So if you're a high-income earner, you may not be eligible to contribute directly to a Roth IRA. But don't worry, there are ways around this. Stay tuned for that pro tip. Pattern interrupt. Okay, I get it. Tax-free sounds almost too good to be true. But there's more. The Roth IRA isn't just about tax advantages, it also has no required minimum distributions. No forced withdrawals when you hit age 72. Ever wonder what that might mean for you? 4. Roth IRA versus traditional IRA. Pros and cons. Alright, let's break it down. Both Roth IRAs and traditional IRAs have their pros and cons, and the key to making the right choice is understanding your personal situation. With a traditional IRA, you're getting an immediate tax break. This is great if you want to reduce your taxable income now. But remember, you'll eventually pay taxes when you withdraw the funds. Plus, if you take money out early, before 59 and a half, you'll be hit with a 10% penalty. On the other hand, the Roth IRA gives you that sweet tax-free growth. But the downside is you don't get a tax deduction on your contributions today. However, if you believe your tax rate will be higher in the future, the Roth IRA could save you a lot of money in the long run. So here's the million-dollar question. Do you want to pay taxes now or later? Cliffhanger. But what if you don't have to choose? What if there's a way to have both? Stay with me, and I'll reveal a little-known strategy that could supercharge your retirement savings. 3. Making the right choice. Which IRA is right for you? 5. How to choose between Roth and traditional IRA. So, which IRA is right for you? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It really depends on a few factors like your current income, your expected income in retirement, and your tax situation. Here's a quick guide to help you decide. If you're young, in a lower tax bracket, and expect your income to rise in the future, a Roth IRA is probably the way to go. If you're currently in a higher tax bracket and need the tax deduction right now, a traditional IRA may be your best bet. But here's the thing. What if you could use both? That's right. Some people choose to split their retirement savings between both Roth and traditional IRAs. This gives them the flexibility to manage taxes both now and in the future. Pattern interrupt. I know it might feel overwhelming to think about taxes now, but trust me, this is the time to plan. Think about how you want to feel when you're 60, sitting on a beach with your favorite drink in hand. Will you be stressing over taxes, or will you be celebrating your smart decisions? Pro tip, the backdoor. Roth IRA. All right, here's the pro tip you've been waiting for, the backdoor Roth IRA. If your income is too high to contribute directly to a Roth IRA, you can still contribute to a traditional IRA, then convert those funds into a Roth IRA. This is called the backdoor Roth. It's a little-known strategy that can be a game changer for high-income earners who want to take advantage of the Roth IRA's tax-free growth. But don't try this without consulting a tax advisor. You want to make sure you're following the rules correctly to avoid penalties. So, which IRA is right for you? The answer depends on your current situation and your long-term goals. Whether you go with a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA, the most important thing is that you're taking action to secure your financial future. Don't wait to make this decision. Your future self will thank you when you're living comfortably in retirement without worrying about taxes. So start contributing today and make sure you're putting your money in the right place. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips that will help you live the wealthy lifestyle you deserve. Start planning your future today.